Yeah, Dan, now that you're basically done, do you need us to help you?
Yeah.
We're all just chatting away.
You guys are doing great. Keep doing what you're doing.
You want to hold anything?
No.
I'm just here to sit on my motorcycle and pretend I'm riding it.
Yeah, we wouldn't want you doing anything else.
Different shit. Well, that's not true. I'm going to smoke a split.
You better roll me a cigarette then.
I actually bought some fresh tobacco in anticipation of all the cigarettes you guys were going to smoke.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
And are there any lights going on now?
Lights are on.
Lights are on.
Yeah.
Really just unplugged one wire.
So you think it was the groundy boy?
Well, I just unplugged this ground.
Made no difference.
Hey, pop filter.
Yeah, I got two.
Man.
One for you too, Dan, if you wanted one of these babies.
Yeah, dude, I'd put one of those better filters
Mitch, are you
on.
trying to put one of those on here?
Yeah.
Here, I got you.
I could at least do that.
You should probably put it on yours, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You have a pressure engine.
So to disconnect?
You do not need this
You do not need a battery ground.
going to there. You do not need the battery grounded to the frame.
Okay. Sick.
Okay.
Although that is what mine has.
Oh.
That's probably what mine has too.
So 13.7 is
Yeah, that's
sufficient.
That's
She's
fine.
working, huh?
Yeah.
Woo!
Hell yeah, brother.
Dan the man.
Genius.
Me, Mitch.
Learning new shit every day.
Clear it all out. Oh, wait. Yeah, there's still some drips. Never mind.
Well, let's hit it with the old angle grinder, Mitch, huh?
Yeah, let's just do the angle.
Skip the little.
Where the hell is that? Yeah.
Yes,
We're good. Okay, cool.
Count it.
See.
That looks better.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yep, they both.
Sick.
So, Dan, was it the magneto or was it that one cord that didn't need to be grounded to the battery?
I think that it was just, if I had unplugged that one cord, I switched a bunch of wires around.
Mm-hmm.
But I think if I would have just unplugged that one cord, that extra ground that I had, it would have been probably good from the get-go. But
Gotcha.
instead, we went through 6-7 different regulators.
Right.
Magneto, all that shit.
Yeah.
To find that out.
Now you know.
Now you.
I was reading online about floating the ground, and that's kind of what pointed me in that.
Gotcha.
You're supposed to, quote unquote, float the ground on these. Although I didn't do it on mine, and no one else has done it on any of theirs.
Float the ground. Okay.
You rip it.
We're gonna Rip City.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Woo!
Well, we did it.
We did it.
Everyone, spike check, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, man. It seemed good. I think I hit 40 if the speedometer's right on that.
Oh, yeah.
Was there saying 40?
Yeah, you got some juice in that life, man. I was trying to keep up with you.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh man, yours is way faster than mine, I guarantee it.
Dan's just pretty skilled at this point.
Yeah.
Lawnmower
towing that guy.
Oh, yeah.
I thought we were going to be the trashiest thing that's going on.
That was perfect.
Man,
Dude,
Something, man.
not a problem.
that one was sick. Just got back from a ride.
How dusty's your little filter boy?
It's got a little dusty.
That must be that.
I think
oil.
mine just lets all the dust go straight through.
We got a legitimate motorcycle gang.
Wow, dude. Well, I don't want to jinx myself, but it sure does feel good just to...
Dude,
It's a rip.
Is that what it was all about? I had
It's
forgotten.
all about.
I had forgotten over time.
This whole conversation is hilarious to me. This is all I know is us fixing the bikes and then they work and we take them on riding.
Well, that's all we know. 5 years.
I was just working
Well,
on
apparently you guys are missing the riding portion.
But that being said, look where it mounts up, Nick. Right here.
Yep.
Thing's only.
Oh shit,
It's tiny.
That's the whole shock?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's real tiny.
Because I kind of bent that out a little bit, you know.
Yeah, I see. There's a line. You know, like how rock climbers talk about when they're climbing rock, they're just so present, and that's why they do it. Even though they could die, they're just in the moment, and you can't think about anything else. It's kind of like that, you know? Any moment on this thing could be my last.
Explode, send you flying.
Yeah, or both.
No. But goddamn is it fun.
take out.
No, if it just
Look, you
came
got a
out,
whole lane to work with,
if it just came out to like here-ish, so I could have a whole hand out here.
Yeah.
And then I could actually make it look not like gutted trash. It's okay.
That's gonna be sweet.
Sweet boy.
We should probably comprise a list of the things that have actually worked.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, we definitely should.
Get a little.
And we should get a little cell shop
Yeah.
Yeah.
tethered with our.
We're a little more organized.
Yeah.
Legit.
Yeah.